Hey, welcome back to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing Jack Skellington. First step is making kind of like a big line, and then we're going to curve in a bit, and then come down like this, kind of like a triangle. Now we're going to start about here, and then make a curve that goes down. And then we're gonna make another kind of triangle shape that goes up, and then we're gonna go down, and then I'm gonna close up any lines that I didn't have closed already. I'm going to now make a bump out here, and then from that bump we're gonna make a big curve that goes across like this. And then we're gonna kind of make that same curve on the opposite side, starting from that triangle and then going around, around, around. And then we're gonna close up these two lines with the curve, like a big circle head. Keep closing those lines. There we go. Doesn't need to be perfect. Now we're gonna make part of the eye. It's gonna go inside of these triangle shapes. So start here and make a curve around. And then from this line, make another curve around like that. And we're gonna close up these two to form this kind of weird shape. I'm going to make some accent marks coming out of the eye by just drawing lines. There's one, and then here's another line coming out. And now this whole shape is going to be black at the end. This is going to have another mark coming out here. Now I'm going to make this same shape in the other one. So start kind of here and go around and down, and then we're going to make a line that comes out like this, and then we're going to bring it around to about here and then close it up like that. I'm going to make these same kind of shapes here. So start by making a line like that, and then there's one up here that goes out. Now we're going to make his nose. The nose is just a line down again, and then it almost kind of looks like a seed or something. That's what kind of reminds me of. So there's one, and then go down and down again and around. Now we're going to make his smile. The smile is going to start here all the way at the end. It's really big. And we're going to go down, up in the middle, down again, and then up all the way to the other side like that. I'm going to make little marks on the line. They just go like this, random wherever you want. I'm going to make mine look like this. They're kind of like stitches, just random lines. I don't think there's a right or wrong way to make these lines. As long as you have some that are bigger than the others, I think it'll work. So I'm going to put some at the bottom also, some at the top. Go all the way across and make these stitch lines. There. Now I'm going to make a Santa hat. I don't know if this is Halloween or Christmas. I guess it could be both. So let's start the Santa hat here, and then we're gonna go out and make it kind of like spiked. So there's my little spikes. I'm gonna make one of my spikes curved by going up like this and then coming back on the curve, and then go up, and we're gonna make another curve in. I'm gonna make a curve up, another spike, a couple more, and one more. There. Now keep on spiking all the way to the other side, and then we'll draw like the red part of the hat. I don't think there's a right or wrong way to make the little spikes, as long as they look kind of sharp edges, then it'll work out. I'm almost done. A few more spikes. There. Now let's make the red part of the Santa hat. So start at one of your spikes and go up, and then go in a bit, and then once you come in, go up again, and then go around and in, and then once you go in a bit, we're going to take that line and go around, and then we're going to go out and back down, down, down to about here, and then make a spike out, spike in. We're gonna go up and kind of follow this pattern that you did. So I'm gonna spike out this way and then come up all the way to about right there and go in to that. There we go. Now at the end of his Santa hat, we're gonna make a jack-o'-lantern. So start by making the pumpkin shape, which is just kind of like a heart shape, if you think about it, like this. And then we're gonna make the face. The face is gonna be a line, curve it in, and then up. Same thing for the other side, a line, down, and then curve it in. We'll make a spooky face. I guess you can make any face you want to on your jack-o'-lantern. Mine's gonna have these sharp edges that go like that, and then I'm gonna follow the same lines that I made, and I can color it in. There we go. And then the eyes, I'm gonna make black too, but you're welcome to do whatever you'd like. I'm gonna make some lines on my pumpkin. They're just gonna go out like this. Another one. Once you start going into the middle of the pumpkin, they start forming the other way. There we go. Here's my jack-o'-lantern. Here's Jack Skellington, and let's color him in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel for new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye!